Council President is a great honor. I'd like to make this the best possible year by doing my best, trying to get more skating parties, more dress-down days, and more fun activities. I know, no matter who is president, Nina, Charity, Nick, and I will work together as a team. I know that the four of us will do our best. I would like to wish them all the best of luck. I'd like to take this time to thank everybody in my skit, everyone that helped me, and especially my campaign manager, Courtney Cowell. Thank you.
It is the duty of the treasurer to keep a record of funds raised in student council activities. Beth and Hornak, you have been elected to the office of student council treasurer. This pen represents truth and honesty. Do you promise to fulfill this position to the best of your ability? I do.
Sister Constance, teachers, students, and friends, good morning. It is a great honor to be a part of the Student Council. I know that all of us will do our best to do our jobs. Together, we will make this the best possible year. I would like to take this time to thank my campaign manager, Courtney Cowell, everyone in my skit, everyone that voted for me, and especially my parents. Thank you.